Hi everyone. With our pattern today, we have two strings that we're not going to be able to fold, one pink and one black. With our black string, which we have added a little length to, we are going to make backward forward knots. Backward, and now I'm making the forward part, which is just half of a backward knot plus half of a forward knot. And then I'm going to repeat it one more time, and then you can pause this video and come back to it when you've reached your desired length. Here I am trying to make a box slash square knot. I cannot explain this part with audio, so I just hope that you watch and see what I'm actually doing, because this is actually the hardest part of making a Kumihimo for me. Alright, now I'm done with that, and this is my Kumihimo loop. I have a link in the description in case you want to buy one, or you could just make one yourself, but my link is down below. I've already added my top strings, which is black and pink on 1 and 2, and I added 2 pink directly below it on 17 and 18. Now I'm going to leave 2 spaces before I add the next colors, which will be on 30 and 29. And then I will leave one space, just one space. Then I'll put on 27 and 26, leave one space, put into 24 and 23, one space, then 20, 21 and 20. Then you can see there's one space in between the ones in the middle, which was 18 and 17. Now on the other side, I'm going to leave 2 spaces and put it in between 14 and 13, one space, then 11 and 10, one space, 7 and 8, then one space, 4 and 5. Remember to keep the string in the middle at all times. The two uneven ends, we are going to weave them in. Starting our bracelet, we take 2, which is on the right all the way down, and then we take 18 up to 32 and turn anti-clockwise. Take 5 all the way down to 19 and take 21 up to 3. Turn. Take 8 down to 22 and take 24 up to 6, keeping our middle string in the middle, keeping our uneven strings in the middle. Turn. Take 11 down. Sorry, I've untangled this first before we get started. Take 11 down to 25, then take 27 up to 9. Take 14 down to 28, then take 30 up to 12. Now at this point you can cut off your strings in the middle, but I don't want to. 17 down to 31 and 1 up to 15. 20 down to 2 and 3 up to 18. So we are gotten to the middle, or right where we started. 3 down to 5 and 7 up to 21. Turn. 25 down to 8 and 10 down to 24, up to 24. 29 down to 11. Why we have 2 spaces that have 2 spaces on at the top and bottom is because when you're growing up, you need to have enough space to put your string on the left, and when you're coming down you put your string on the right. So that's why we have spaces by those corners, so that we don't mix it up and we know exactly where we stopped. And I'll just do this a little while longer and I will show you when I completely cut off my string. Now I'm going to cut off my odd number strings. Just snip it off and continue, I don't know, knotting or plaiting. I have another Kumihimo tutorial. It's probably going to pop up on the screen or it's already popped up. Please watch that if you're interested in making another watermelon. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.